Hello, and today we're going to show you how to plant a few tulip bulbs in a pot for a nice display on your patio in the early spring to mid-spring. Tulips really should be planted in November. That's the best time to plant a tulip. And I'm just going to show you how the basic principle of planting tulips in a pot would be, and it's much the same for all spring bulbs. So first of all, we've got your pot, and we've got a hole on the side with this one, so we're going to put a little crock against that. We've got to save any of the compost dripping out, and we're going to fill this now to roughly 3 times the height of 3 times the depth of the bulb, because all spring bulbs should be planted at 3 times their depth. So here's your spring bulb, there it is, that's 1 time, that's 2 time, here is the bulb, that's the depth that should be planted. So on our pot here now, we've got 1, 2, 3. So the bulb is going to be quite near the bottom of this pot. Just take a little bit of compost out. And when we plant bulbs, it's very important to remember that the bulbs should be placed 1 bulb width apart in the pot. So we can fill the pot up nicely, but ensuring there's a little bit of gap between each bulb. And 1 in the middle. That's the right depth. Now we're going to fill up with compost. It may seem a bit deep, but that's what they like. They don't like to be too near the top, because if they're too near the top of the pot, then what will happen is they're likely to come up without the flower initiating, and you'll have a bulb of leaves with no flowers. There we are.